Welcome to Mill Bay at Narooma. We are here cooking an amazing dish. Big shout out to Sarah and Dan from Montague Oysters who took us on a trip of a lifetime out to their oyster farm. We are going to make an amazing wakame dressing to go on these pristine, fresh oysters. I can't wait to get started. I've already preheated the barbecue. Let's get cracking. To get started and create a base for this dressing, I'm going to start by cutting a lemon in half, and here I have 6 beautiful spring onions. We're going to pop them straight onto the barbecue to caramelize and get a really nice char on those spring onions. We were so lucky to be taken out on the waters. Montague Oysters took us out to their oyster lease just across the waters there to have a look at their oysters. They are absolutely stunning. They have a natural rotating basket system that goes with the tide, spinning the oysters around constantly so they stay clean, but it also helps to encourage the beautiful shape of these oysters. They're thicker and have these really nice lips on the shell, and trust me, they taste absolutely stunning. So pristine, so clean, hands down the best oysters I've ever had. So today we are eating them fresh with this amazing dressing. These spring onions are ready for a turn. Have a look at those grill marks. We want these to caramelize and get that natural sweetness out of the spring onions. And our lemons are ready to come off the barbecue. These spring onions have completely softened on the inside. The outside has that nice char, so we're getting that beautiful barbecue flavor the whole way through the dressing. These are going to be nice and sweet. So the next ingredient, co-star of the show, is our wakame salad. It looks a little bit like chopped up green monster swine, but you should try this. It is flavored with sesame, so it is so tasty, but it adds a really nice texture as well. So we're just going to add a few tablespoons and finally chop this up. Add that in. All that I'm going to do is now add in some light soy sauce. And next we just want to add a touch of toasted sesame oil. Only half a teaspoon is all that you need. It is quite a strong ingredient. Drizzle that in. And that's our dressing done. We're just going to stir that all together. Look at those beautiful colours. Give it a little taste. It's a touch too salty right now, so I'm just going to add some more chopped wakame and a bit of extra lemon juice. It's always so important when you're cooking and using such fresh, good quality ingredients is that you're tasting along the way to perfect those flavours. It's time to shuck these beautiful Sydney rock oysters. It's a good idea to have one hand protected, so I'm using a Weber heat-proof glove. Get our oyster shucker and we can go in on a 45-degree angle at the point of the oyster, and then start to twist that a bit until it pops, and then just swivel the knife around so that flat shell comes straight off, and then run the knife along the straight edge of the shell. You want to detach that abductor that's sticking the oyster to the shell, and then you can flip that beauty over, presentation side. Look at that. Our oysters are shucked. I had a few sneaky ones on the way, but look at these beauties. Just going to top it with a bit of our wakame dressing. If you can, try and buy unshucked oysters. It is a little bit of effort, but they're still alive and you get that beautiful brine. There's parts of the world that is actually illegal to buy shucked oysters because this is the best and only way you should be eating them. Now we'll just top it with a bit of our wakame, that beautiful texture, and a little sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. And it's gone straight in. That is so unreal. Just a whole delicious trip under the ocean with that amazing wakame, the fresh, amazing, pristine oysters. I'm tucking into the rest of these. I wish you were all here.